Hello from Slovenia again. Today I'm doing reverse flower dip on round canvas board again, and I will, you know that I use a lot of this pearl white that I mix myself with this Valejjo pearl medium, and it creates really beautiful lacing. And that's why I decided that I will try to mix my pearl medium with blue turquoise blue. Why I chose this one is because its turquoises are mostly opaque, so white is opaque. That's why I decided that I will mix my pearl medium with opaque color, and I will use permanent blue violet from Amsterdam, transparent, dioxazine purple, transparent, phthalo turquoise blue, transparent, and pearl white, titanium white, which is opaque, mixed with this pearl medium. I have quite a few pearl paints, but I must say that I don't get the same result as I do when I use my pearl medium to my paints. So this is just my theory that this pearl medium creates this effect. So as I show you, I will use some purples and turquoises, and let's start. And maybe this one is a little thin. No, it isn't. It's okay, I hope. Or maybe it is a little thin. I didn't do nice shape. This is pearl turquoise. I think that I didn't do this okay. I hope that I will have place for all of my paints. And dioxazine purple. I hope that I will get some purple lacing on this turquoise, pearl turquoise. So we will see if my theory works or not. And some pearl white, and I will try to do just a tiny bit of this pearl white because it really takes over. And I will grab my napkin. It says napkins pure cellulose. I don't know how to pronounce it. I know that in Slovenia it's cellulosa. And I don't know how to pronounce this in English. I will spray it only with water, nothing else, for those who ask about this. And I didn't do a good job layering this down, so I don't know what will happen here, but I will just leave it like this because otherwise I will ruin the entire pattern, I think. And let's lift this. And again, I'm using this napkin because it's bigger, and I think that I have more control over lifting parts, so and I'm not sure if I do this part okay. So obviously my theory about this pearl mixture works. I should have done better job with lifting. That's why I didn't get the exact look that I was hoping for. I see some hair here. I will just push it down. You see here I have this violet space that I didn't plan to have, but and a little too much white here. Just try to So I lost almost all of my deep turquoise. I have just a little shade here around this white. I was hoping for that, but I'm just not quite happy with this. Maybe I mixed my paints a little thinner than I normally do. That's why I get maybe a little different result, because when I pour it off my squeeze bottles, I think that they were a little thinner than I want them to be. but as you can see, if you mix this pearl medium in turquoise, you get this lacing effect too. Sorry about the glare. Maybe not as much as on white, because it's not so much of contrast, or how should I say that, but definitely you get this lacing effect too. So I just don't know, I was hoping for more violet tones. Maybe I should use some other violets, not this, but this is my first try. How will react my pearl medium to some other color, not just in white. And I think that we get similar effect. So I will mix it in some other paints too and see what we can get. But this one is done, and I'm not quite sure about this color combo, but I just want to do it. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.